这支影片99%使用 GoPro Hero 6拍摄。Go.
Casper. Shad. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
English, Japanese, it's okay.
Okay, English is better for us.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah, Taiwan speak Japanese a little bit, yeah?
Taiwan can maybe speak a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
在马拉克什的第二天早上，我们没太多时间在这逗留。除了民宿令我印象深刻外，街边风景我只有4个字可以形容，那就是断壁残垣。
You live in Japan?
For longer.
Oh, how many years?
More than 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Why?
In Kyoto.
For work?
Student.
Student.
Yeah.
So you can speak Japanese?
I speak Japanese as well.
Very fluently.
Very fluently.
Wow.
No problem.
Wow. Ohio.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Oh, wow. Oh, your Japanese may be better than me.
Maybe.
Yeah. You should.
这是我们的导游哈森，他说来到摩洛哥，如果想前往撒哈拉，大多就一种方式，除了包车还是包车，因为这趟路程将会非常的遥远。换句话说，好的导游就能带你上天堂。我想我们跟哈森应该是有个好的开始吧。
Very local things. Cost for leads.
We arrived at Sovila.
From Isabela to
No, thank you.
Two hours later. 3 days later. 3 weeks later. 2,000 years later.
真的很远。在走进艾本哈度之前，我们却默默被当地人带入另一个小房间内。房间贴满了许多好莱坞来取景的主机，但实在是太多了。我唯一认出来的是龙女在这解放奴隶的权利游戏，这个。
It's pretty.
Yeah, not expensive. You want something 50, 80, and 100 for big.
Okay.
Like this. On other side, nothing.
Yeah.
Waterproof.
Water.
Yeah, for Silla colors fix.
Ooh.
And you want some souvenir like this. 50, 80, and 100 for big.
离开小小的房间后，心情开始有点沉重，买与不买都有种说不上的复杂情感。我们没有答案，只好继续往前探索。艾本哈度位在马拉克什东南方约100多公里处，曾被联合国评选为世界文化遗产的它，如今更是摩洛哥粘土建筑的模范。在来之前，其实我甚至没深入去探究这些地方，通常当下只能用非常单纯的角度去欣赏、去体会，但光是这样，就足以撼动我内心的澎湃。 单看这些，如果还不够深刻的话，不妨看看这个。